Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we go. Beautiful quality, and I mean exceptional. Full controls, Softail with these will fit FX. Pretty much any bike right up till twin cam. Okay, we do also do a twin cam version as well for your Softails, etc. Okay, now if you look at this, build quality is very, very good. Okay, beautiful stainless, nice cover here. Normally you see all this. Beautifully made, really, really high end. Okay, as you can see, Nessie almost style without the Ness price tag. You know, these beauties retail around about the 400 quid mark as opposed to 7 or 8, but very, very well made. And being a biker and a machinist anyway, I can assure you that sort of price you'd have a job to make them, even if you had the materials, the amount of machining, etc. needed. But if you countersunk screws, you know, removable shift peg. So that's the brakes. Your shifter, as you can see, again, beautifully made on CNC. Wonderful, wonderful quality. Just check the build quality of these things. These aren't the usual thin, crappy, excuse the handprints, but not the usual crappy versions that most people do. Okay, lovely, lovely made. Put these on your bike, as you can imagine. Very, very cool. Going down the older motorways or the German autobahns. Great comfort, great looks, real thick. You've really got to see the quality of these to appreciate how well made they are. But fantastic quality, available on customcruisers.com. 01773835666. www.customcruisers.com, like I say. Alternatively, email us, sales@customcruisers.com.